Hi and welcome to Statement Zen. We automate the extraction and reconciliation of AP vendor statements. When you first log into Statement Zen, you'll see a dashboard which gives you overall statistics. You can click on settings and quickly integrate into Xero or QuickBooks natively. We're adding more settings shortly. You can add email settings so you could email vendors for your missing statements. Click here and upload a new statement. Pick your vendor. And this works for PDF and Excel files. Once it's grabbed the vendor, it grabs the data live from your ERP or accounting system. You can click here and see the extraction that it's done and the original vendor statement. Click on Review Matching. Matched items will be at the top here. So everything matches date, invoice, and reference and amount from the same vendor. You've got potentially matched items here where there is one or more things that are different. Duplicated items, so you're not overpaying, and you've got unreconciled items at the bottom. The goal for each reconciliation is to move everything into matched or move it into the ignored queue, which we have down the bottom here, so you can have some transparency. Once you've done that, you'll be able to finalize it and see a reconciliation report as well as the activity that's been done on the vendor reconciliation. And that's it. So it only takes less than a couple of minutes to do an integration and start reconciling. We have over 90% accuracy on PDF and Excel files without templates, and we're increasing accuracy every day. We're in beta at the moment and we'd love for you to give us some feedback.